Hi, it's Jennifer, back with some more therapeutic activities for you and your child to do at home. Today I have an empty coffee can that we emptied and saved, and I have a deck of cards. I'm sure that you have these activities or something similar to them at home that you can use these activities. I have been asked several times about specifics for developmental ages and when these skills come in, so I'll try and be more specific about when we should expect these skills to happen. So the first activity I have is for us just to fill the container. At about 10 months, kids start being able to release objects and putting them into containers or handing them to adults. So that is one simple activity that we can start doing. We can either put our hand in to take the cards out, or we can take the container and dump it to do it over again. I've added, for the next component, I cut out a rectangle on the lid so that we can be more precise. At about 12 months, kids start putting circles into shape sorters, so this will help with that. And you have to have a more refined grasp for this activity. So I just want them to put them right in. I made the opening a little bit snug so that they have to kind of use some resistance and push it in for more added fine motor dexterity. You can turn the container so that they can figure out how to turn the card to fit it into the slot. So that is one idea with the cards. As the kids get older, we can work on sorting cards. So instead of sorting by suit, we could just sort by color. So black cards on one side, red cards on the other. This also works on that important skill of bilateral coordination. So my one hand is holding the cards and my other hand is deciding and using fine motor to see which pile it goes in. The grasp that I'm using for both of these with my palm up is an important skill for handwriting. When we hold our pencil, our hand is turned slightly upward. So we really want to promote that skill of bringing our palm up. As the kids get older, we can maybe separate by suits. So we can put the hearts, the spades, the clubs, and the diamonds. And depending on how you do it, it would be more difficult. So if I had the two reds together, that would be more difficult. So if I wanted to separate it this way. Other ideas, you can use these for math. And we could work on adding the two cards together. Obviously, we can use the cards as playing cards, and there are a million games that are great for kids. The activity of holding their cards in their hand and fanning them like this and then being able to pick just one out is called graded control. And that it gives us the ability to pull one card out without all the cards falling. Or if you were holding an egg in your hand that was not cooked, being able to hold that without crushing it. So our muscles get the feedback, our joints and muscles get the feedback on how hard or how soft to hold something. If you wanted to add a gross motor component to it, you could spread the cards out around the floor and you can have them jump to certain numbers or certain colors, or if they were older and you wanted to have them do some kind of addition, if they were standing on a 10 and you wanted to get them to 12, what number would they jump to? Or if they were even more advanced, you could go subtraction or multiplication or division. I hope you like this activity, and I hope that you come up with your own game so that you can have fun at home. Be safe, wash your hands, and have a great day. Thanks.